Advancing PROLIGHTS' renowned LED hybrid technology, the new Jet Hybrid200 is a budget-friendly moving beam and spot with versatile design. Jet Hybrid200 is fitted with a 200-watt LED source, delivering 8,000 fixture lumens and a large zoom range from 3 to 40 degrees. This fixture is designed super compact and weighs only 15 kilograms, allowing it to be used anywhere from venues with low ceilings to live performances. Its comprehensive effects section boasts a color wheel with 13 vibrant filters, a rotating gobo wheel featuring 8 distinct spot images, a static gobo wheel with 17 beam aerial gobos, a prism for multifaceted light patterns, a frost filter for diffused wash or soft edge beams. The Jet Hybrid200 stands as an innovative light fixture intended to supplant older arc lamp discharge hybrids and LED spots with fixed beam angle, with a more durable, eco-friendly and features-packed luminaire.